Good morning. Soft inflation number this morning, and the chip and cloud crowd ate the whole meal. The S&P closed up about 0.25% at 7748 and change, and the Nasdaq up 0.5%. The Dow slipped a little, but the day was greener than it really felt. Underneath, money moved around hard. The big platform companies got sold, and the people building the AI stuff got bought. That shift is the real story. The 3 times chip fund had a monster day today, up close to 7%, closing at 142. 56 million shares traded, which is heavy volume. The reason is a report that Singapore's Temasek wants to buy into SK Hynix and Samsung directly, and both of those jumped more than 7%. That pulled the whole chip group up with them. I'm not in this one, but it's exactly the kind of move I like to watch. Oracle closed up 5.33% at 153, which wipes out Tuesday's 4% drop and then some. The news is that Quantinuum signed a multi-year deal to put its Helios quantum machine on Oracle's cloud, right next to their GPU and high-performance computing. So Oracle's not just an AI landlord anymore. It's a quantum landlord too. That changes how people think about them. I'm watching this one, not trading it, but the deal is genuinely interesting. NVDA closed up 3% at 224 on 110 million shares. Its customers did the talking. CoreWeave doubled their revenue and said they've got $104 billion of orders lined up, and the Nebius jumped about 20%. Both of them are buying NVIDIA chips with both hands. NVIDIA's own numbers come out on the 26th, and this is the kind of demand that makes that report worth waiting for. Not holding it, just watching. The 3 times Nasdaq fund closed up 2% at 7460, which is roughly triple the index's 0.5%. But it never really got going after the open. It touched 7569 early, and then spent the afternoon leaking back down toward the bottom of a tight range. That's the kind of day that tells you the buyers weren't in a hurry. I'm not in it, but it's a good reminder that a green close can hide a weak session. Meta was the worst one on my watch list, down 3.33% to 578. It touched 604 in the morning, then closed on its low. The 600 level rejected it again. 29 states accuse Meta of collecting children's data on top of 2.4 billion in legal charges, and they plan to spend 125 to 145 billion in 2026. That's a lot of weight. I'm watching, not holding.